Hello, my friends! It's Miss Kelly here again today for your Handwriting Without Tears activity. So today we are talking about our lowercase letters. We've already worked on and practiced and reviewed our uppercase, so now we're going to work on our lowercase, or our small letters. All right, so today we're going to work on our letters C, O, and S. Those are our lowercase. These are also the same as our uppercase letters. So if you already know how to write your uppercase C, O, and S, you can write your lowercase ones too. All right. So here's our lowercase. Let's say them together. Ready? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, let me move my picture, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you write with me? All right, we're going to practice our lowercase C, O, and S. So our lowercase letters, some are small, like our lowercase a. Some are tall, like our lowercase b. Some go below the line, like our lowercase g. So right here we have small, tall, and goes below the line. This one, it has a little curve and a little tail that goes below the line. All right, we're going to talk about our magic C. You might have already heard Mrs. Martinez and Miss Kelly talk about if you know how to make a C, you know how to make some other letters too. Our magic C is a really cool letter because if we know how to make a C, we can make other letters too. So let's look at our magic C.
Magic C letters. Lowercase c. Ta-da! Magic C!
All right, so that's our magic C. We're going to use our magic C to write some other letters. All right, so let's see. I'm going to bring it up here. All right, so our magic C, this is our uppercase C. So let's look at this picture right here. So our uppercase C, or our big C, capital C. Now over here, we have our lowercase c. So our lowercase is just a smaller version. So it's the same. So if you know how to do your uppercase C, you can do your lowercase c. Capital or uppercase and lowercase, or our magic C. So I want for you to go grab a piece of paper or your writing notebook or a whiteboard and a pencil or marker, okay? Because we're going to practice writing our magic C. All right? Remember, you can press the pause button, which looks like this, if you need more time. If you need more time, you can press your pause button. All right, so go grab your supplies and then come right back. All right, we're going to do our magic C. So where do we start our letters? At the top. So we're going to start up at the top and do a big curve. That's our magic C. Let's try another one. Start at the top, big curve. Magic C. Start at the top, big curve. Good. So this is our uppercase C. How would we write our lowercase c? Well, they're the same. So let's look at this picture. If we know how to write an uppercase C or a capital C, we can write a lowercase c. Only this C stays inside the line. So Miss Kelly's going to show you. So our uppercase or capital C is big and tall. So it goes above this line right here. So here's our uppercase C. To do our lowercase c, it stays inside these lines right here. So we're going to do just like that. Let's try it again. Let's do our lowercase c. Start at the top, curve. Start at the top, curve. Those are our lowercase c's. Good. All right, we're going to go to our O. So, if you know how to do a magic C, you can make an O. You start at the top, magic C, then you keep going and stop right where it starts. So, just like our capital C, our capital O is the same as our lowercase o. So right here we have our capital and our lowercase is just a smaller one. So here's our capital and here's our lowercase in between the lines. Our capital O is a bigger O that goes above the lines. So let's practice our uppercase, magic C, keep going, and we made our O. Good. Now for our lowercase, magic C, keep going. Do you see how Miss Kelly stayed inside these two lines right here? So right here, her capital O, it goes above this line and then up to the top because it's a capital or an uppercase. For our lowercase o, it stayed inside the lines right here. So it didn't pass this line. It stopped right on the line right there. So let's try another one. Magic C, keep going. O. Let's try another one. Magic C, keep going. O. Let's try one more. Magic C, keep going. O. Good job, my friends. All right, we're going to do our S. So if you can write a magic C, you can do an S. So you do little magic C and turn it down the other way, curve around. So right here, magic C, turn it down, and then curve around. Little magic C, turn it down, and curve around. All right, so just like our uppercase or our capital S, our lowercase is just the same, only it's smaller, and it's staying between these lines right here. It's not going above, it's stopping at the lines. The lines kind of help it know where to stay. So our uppercase S, or our capital, goes above the lines. So you start up there and go all the way down. Our lowercase stays in the lines. Little c, curve it down, curve around. So Miss Kelly's going to show you our uppercase. Magic C. There's our uppercase. To do our lowercase, little magic C, turn it down, curve around. Let's try it again together. Start at the top right here. Magic C, turn it down, curve around. I'll show you on the big board. So maybe we can make these magic C's into our S. So we start at the top, magic C, turn it down, curve around. Magic C, turn it down, curve around. Magic C, turn it down, curve around. That is our lowercase s. Good job, my friends. So let's review one more time our letters that we did. We did our magic C. So can you make your magic C lowercase? There's our magic C. Then we did an O. If you can make a C, you can make an O. Keep going and stop. If you can make a little magic C, you can make an S. Little magic C, turn it down, curve around. Let's try our S one more time. Magic C, turn it down, curve around. C-O-S-S. Good job, my friends. All right, I will see you next time. I want you to go practice your C, O, and your S. Remember, if you can make a C, you can make some other letters. We use our magic C to make lots of different letters, and we'll talk about them later. All right, bye, friends.